Hello guys, this is how to get dictionaries working on Linux. So, or any other Unix program to be fair. You can also get this working on Mac OS. I'm not too sure how you'll do this on Windows, but you probably can. Anyways, let's get started. So, I use a program called sdcv, also known as stardict. It's just a console version of the program stardict. So if I type sdcv into the command line, I can enter a word, I can say something I learned, and it gives me the definition. Alright, so let's say I want to install this. So I can do pacman-ss. Pacman is just my package manager. If you're on Mac, you can use something like brew or install it from the web on Ubuntu, apt-get, and so on. Right, so pacman-ss sdcv. And as you can see, I got that result. I already have it installed, but if you don't, well, you can install it. Once you have that, you should be able to type sdcv-l. Now, you'll get all of your dictionaries installed and the amount of words they have. Yours will not show WordNet. I just have that installed since, well, I installed that dictionary previously, but yours should be just blank, right? So in order to install a dictionary, you can do something like yay-ss. In my case, I'm just using Yay, which is like a different sort of package manager that looks through the AUR. So yay-ss stardict. So this should give you lots of different dictionaries to look for. And as you can clearly see, there are lots of dictionaries. So let's say I want English to Russian, I can get something like this. Stardict-full-Russian to English dictionary, or whatever you want, right? In my case, I got pacman-q stardict. Let me just see the package I got. I got this. So stardict-wordnet. This basically just gives me the English definition of the word I put in. So if I do stardict-l, wait, sorry, sdcl. No, wait, what is it? sdcv. Ah, the name's so confusing. sdcv-l, you can see I installed that dictionary. Whichever dictionary you install, when you type sdcv-l, it should show. Alright, once you have it installed, you can get definitions of words with sdcv and then the word. So let's say sdcv, what's the definition of a thesaurus? Right, there we go. A book containing a classified list of synonyms. Alright, so hopefully that should work for you too. Once that does work, we can create some really nice scripts with it. So if you realize something, we can pipe input into sdcv. So let's pipe the word hello into sdcv, and then it gives you the definition of hello. So we echoed hello into sdcv, it read from standard input, and then gave the definition. Now, if you guys know dmenu, it can create lots of really cool scripts, right? So we can do something like echo hello \n, let's do thesaurus, just like a random list of words for now. Okay, and dictionary into, let's pipe that into dmenu, which is a program that, if you see over here, essentially lets you choose from one of the things you echoed into it. So I can choose hello, and then it returns back hello. I can also choose something called, let's just like choose something random. So let's do definition. Right? It returns definition. So you don't have to choose from the options, but you can pretty easily. Now with this, you can simply pipe the output of dmenu into sdcv. Now what this lets you do is, over here, let's say I want the definition of thesaurus. It gets the word thesaurus. dmenu returns the word thesaurus, and then pipes the word thesaurus into sdcv, which gives the definition of the word. So over here we get a book containing a classified list of synonyms, whatever, right? So with this, you can create a prompt of lots of different words, so a person can enter whatever and then see the definition of whatever, right? Now, one thing I recommend is getting something called a word list. So if I just search up the word list of like the 20,000 most used English words, I can get this 20k.txt, and we get 20,000 of the most used words, right? Wow, so we have a lot of words here. If you download this, so you can just save this as, right? If you download it, I already have it downloaded, so it's not a problem for me, right? So if I go into my documents, ls, I have words.txt. I have words.txt already downloaded, so I have lots of different words here. I think this one's around like 30,000, but it doesn't really matter, right? So with this large word list, you can pipe the cat words.txt. So cat words.txt just prints all the words. So it just printed every single line in that file. So you can cat that into dmenu. Now what this gives you is a lot of words to choose from with auto-completion, right? So let's do, I want to see the definition of education, right? Without me even completely finishing typing it, it should give me education, right? Education, there we go. It has like lots of different auto-completion things. So let's say education, and it auto-completes it and returns it. So now using the same thing we did earlier, we can pipe that into sdcv. So now we have an interactive prompt of different things we can do. So let's say I want the definition of zymotic, whatever that is, right? Boom. You get the definition of that, right? So it gets printed out here, and you get the definition. Now I can pipe this into something like less. So that's just a pager application, right? So it's gonna basically format the text nicely. So if I cat words.txt into less, you saw me doing this earlier, it just makes it a really nice like interface to look down. You can scroll up and down with GNK. It's just good all around. So I can then pipe the output of this sdcv into less. So now let's see the definition of education, and it gets printed nicely over here, right? So let's quit this again. So with this simple script and using this simple dictionary, you can create a really nice dictionary kind of script, right? And this all works offline thanks to this word list being offline and sdcv's dictionary, in my case, the WordNet one, being installed offline. Now, you can also, so I have this currently as a script. So if I go into dmenu, what is it? Dmenu, oh no, I forgot the name of it. Dmenu dictionary, dmenu underscore dict. There we go. Right, I have this currently put as a script. So it does exactly what we went over. So it pipes the output of the words.txt into dmenu, pipes that into sdcv to get the definition of the word the user entered, and pipes that into less to make it look nice. You can also then, after you do that, so command Q, right? So, you can run that script. So in my case, I can run that script on my terminal. So simple terminal -e, and then do the script. So dmenu -dict.sh. So it opens up a new terminal instance with that script running. So I can do hello, and it opens up a new terminal thing over there, which gives me the definition. When I press Q, it exits that the terminal completely. So currently I have this binded to Super Shift D on DWM, which is my window manager, but you don't have to. You can just have it as an app. So Super Shift D, I get this prompt, write a word. Let's do definition. Let's see the definition of definition. And there we go, a concise explanation of the meaning of a word or phrase or symbol. Alright, well, that's how to get dictionaries set up on Linux and create a script with it. Thanks for watching.